In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the left, right, and mid functions in Excel. In this example, I have a number of dates in column A. I would like to extract the day, months, and years from these dates into their own columns. Let's begin with extracting the days from the dates. Looking at the dates, I can see that the days are in the first portion of the date on the left. Since they are on the left, I will use the left function. I'll begin with equals, followed by the word left. Next, I'll add an opening bracket, and once I do, we can see the required syntax. The first parameter is the text that we want to extract from. In this case, it's in cell A2. I could enter A2 manually, or I could simply click on the cell. Now I'll add a comma, and the next thing we need is the number of characters. If we look at the dates, we can see that all the days are in a 3-letter format. I'll add the number 3 and finish off with a closing bracket and click Enter. We can now see that Friday has been extracted from the string using the left function. I can copy this to the remaining rows by double-clicking on the autofill handle that's on the bottom right of the highlighted cell. Next, let's jump over to the year column, as the process is very similar to how we used the left function to extract the days. This time, the information we want, the years, are on the right, so we'll use, you guessed it, the right function. In cell C2, I'll begin with equals, followed by right and an opening bracket. Just like what we did for the left function, we'll highlight cell A2 as the text we want to extract from. Now we'll add a comma. The next parameter I need is the number of characters. Since the years are 4 digits long, I'll enter the number 4. I'll finish things off with a closing bracket and click Enter. The year 2012 has been extracted from our date in cell A2. Once again, I'll copy the formula to the remaining rows. Finally, let's extract the months from our dates into column D. To do this, we'll use the mid function. In cell D2, I'll begin with equals, followed by mid and an opening bracket. Like the left and right functions, the first parameter required is the text, so I'll click on cell A2 and then add a comma. This is where the mid function is a little different from the left and right functions. The next parameter we need is the start number. This is the number of characters from the left of the string in our date field. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, then the comma counts as 4, and the space counts as 5. So our starting number is 6, the 6th character from the left. I'll add another comma, and now I need to determine the number of characters I want to extract. Since all the months are 3 letters in length, I'll enter the number 3. I'll finish things off by adding a closing bracket and clicking Enter. There we have it. The mid function has extracted the month of June from the date in cell A2. I'll copy this to the remaining rows. We can see that all the months have been extracted. The left, right, and mid functions are a great way to break down strings of values into data that is easier to sort or filter. If you found this lesson helpful, please check out this video.